I'm going to show you how to stabilise whipped cream. So this is a good thing to do to your cream if you want to whip it and use it as almost like an icing, but not an icing, for your cakes and bakes. It does have gelatin in this recipe. I've tried it with agar and it's just not that great. So you can avoid stabilizing cream if you're going to make your baking, finish it and serve it straight away. But by adding gelatin, this will give you an hour or two out of the fridge at room temperature where you can have your baking like sitting on the table and your cream will keep its structure. What you want to do is grab some, just tap water and sprinkle the gelatin over the top of the water. And this is just to bloom the gelatin, which is rehydrating it. So that can just sit for a couple of minutes and you can whip your cream to medium peaks. I forgot the icing sugar. You put that in with your cream as it's whipping. So you don't want to whip it the full way. Medium peaks max, because when you add the gelatin, you are going to be whipping it for a few seconds more to incorporate it. Is that what I did? That's good. Medium peaks. Okay, I'm going to leave it at this. This is actually, yeah, quite soft. Soft medium peaks. So now I'm just going to now see how it's all like nice and gelatinous. Obviously it's gelatin. I'm going to put it in the microwave for 10 seconds just to melt those little crystals down. This is gross, but it does really stink once it's warmed up. So I like to put the vanilla in just to mask it. It is like beef. Honestly, it works a treat though. As soon as you put the vanilla in, you don't even know what's going on anymore. Okay, so now I'm just going to put the mixer back on and pour the gelatin vanilla mixture in. And now we want to whip it until it's a pipeable consistency. Okay, so that's all done and it's ready to use. I am going to pipe it on top of some lamingtons, and then yeah, it's ready to go for a couple of hours at room temperature. If you want to serve it, put it as part of like a dessert table, you're ready to go.